Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. There are so many candidates who are confused in between their CAT scores and their expected CAT percentile. So with this video, you will get to know what is your expected CAT percentile based on your CAT score and what are the MBA colleges you can target with at this percentile. ये जो परसेंटाइल है इसमें थोड़ा बहुत वेरिफिकेशन हो सकता है बट नियर अबाउट यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट दिस मच परसेंटाइल एट दिस स्कोर. सो कैट का जो ओवरऑल पेपर है इट इज़ ऑफ 198 मार्क्स विथ 66 क्वेश्चंस. If you have 30 correct questions out of 66 and 90 CAT marks, then you can expect your CAT percentile is about 99.5 percentile. If your overall correct questions are 27 out of 66 and CAT marks are 80, then you can expect your CAT percentile is near about 99 percentile. If your overall correct questions are 24 out of 66 and if your CAT marks are 72, then you can expect your CAT percentile is near about 98 percentile. If your overall correct questions are 20 out of 66 and if you have a CAT marks of 60, then you can expect your CAT percentile near about 95. If you have 15 correct questions out of 66 and if you have a CAT marks of 46, then you can expect your CAT percentile is near about 90. If your overall correct questions are 14 out of 66 and if you have 41 CAT marks, then you can expect your CAT percentile is near about 85 percentile. If your overall correct questions are 12 out of 66 and if you have a CAT marks of 35, then you can expect your CAT percentile is near about 80. So this gives you the tentative idea about your score on the basis of which you can take a decision of colleges you can apply with. So if you have 99.5 plus percentile, then at that time you can target with IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Kolkata. IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Kolkata are the topmost business schools in India. So especially if you want to complete your MBA in the finance, then you can target with the IIM Kolkata also. If you have a good profile, then at that time IIM Ahmedabad and IIM Bangalore are the two options you can target with. बिकॉज IIM कलकत्ता फोकस मोर ऑन द कैट स्कोर ओनली. वहाँ पे जो वेटेज रहेगा आपका मैक्सिमम वेटेज कैट स्कोर को ही रहेगा रादर देन विथ योर प्रोफाइल. बट IIM अहमदाबाद एंड IIM बैंगलोर गिव्स द वेटेज विथ योर प्रोफाइल. सो दिस आर द थ्री कॉलेजेस यू कैन कंसिडर विथ इफ यू आर 99.5 प्लस परसेंटाइल. Then if your CAT percentile is above 98 percentile, then at that time you can target with FMS Delhi, Faculty of Management Studies. So if you want to complete your MBA in the list fees but with a good return of investment, then this is one of the good option you can target with. Then IIT Bombay is the another good option. IIM Lucknow and IIM Kozhikode are the two IIMs you can target with above 98 percentile. Then if your CAT percentile ranges in between 95 to 98 percentile, then you can target with SPJN Mumbai. It is the profile based college. If you have a good profile, then you have a maximum chance that you can get a call from this college with this percentile. Then the another option you can target with IIM Mumbai, which is earlier known as a NITI. So especially if you want to complete your MBA in the operations, then this is the one option you can target with. Then the next option is IIT Delhi. So this is the third best institute for the engineering, but if you want to complete your MBA in the business analytics, then this is one of the good option you can target with. Then next college is MDI Gurgaon. So this is the another option you can target with at this percentile, and IISc Bangalore. So IISc Bangalore is also one of the good college in terms of return of investment. So these are the colleges you can target with 95 to 98 percentile. So if your CAT percentile ranges in between 90 to 95 percentile, so you can target with the colleges like IIT Kharagpur, IIT Madras, IIT Kanpur, IFT Delhi. So IFT Delhi is accepting the CAT score first time because इनकी पहले एक separate entrance examination होती थी like IFT entrance examination. So first time they are accepting the score of CAT entrance examination. So this is the one of the good option you can target with. Then if you want to complete your MBA in the list fees but with a good return of investment, then there are the three colleges from the Delhi University, that is Department of Financial Studies, Department of Business Economics and Delhi School of Economics. So these are the three colleges you can target with from the Delhi University if your CAT percentile ranges in between 90 to 95 percentile. Then the another good option you can target is IMT Ghaziabad. So if you have a good profile, then at 85 to 90 percentile also you can target with IMT Ghaziabad. Especially if you want to complete your MBA in the marketing management, then IMT Ghaziabad is the best option. Then the next option is IMI Delhi. So this is the topmost business school in India for MBA in finance. If you have a good profile, then at 85 to 90 percentile also you can target with this college, but you can consider this college normally in between 90 to 95 percentile in the CAT entrance examination. Then the another good option you can target with is XIM Bhubaneswar at 90 to 95 percentile. So these are the colleges you can target with at this percentile. So if your CAT percentile ranges in between 85 to 90 percentile, then you can target with Goa Institute of Management. So GIM Goa is also known as the profile based college. So इनका एक achievers round भी होता है. So if you have 80 to 85 percentile with a good profile, then also this is the one option you can target with. Then next college is Great Lakes Chennai. You can target with at this percentile. Then next college is IRME Anand. So especially if you want to complete your MBA in the rural management, then this is the one of the option you can target with. Then KJ Somaiya is the another good option you can target with. Then Tapmi Manipal, also one of the option you can target with 85 to 90 percentile in the CAT examination. Then Ford School of Management Delhi is the another good option you can target with at this percentile. Then if you have 80 to 85 percentile in the CAT entrance examination, then you can target with SOIL Gurgaon, IFMR Chennai, Nirma, Liba, Wellinger B School. Wellinger के दो campuses है, like first is in Mumbai, second is in Bangalore. So if you have 80 to 85 percentile, you can target with Wellinger, Mumbai also. इनका जो intake है, it is maximum, so you have a maximum chance that you can get this B school. In terms of placement also, Wellinger is doing good. Then next college you can target with is BIMTech Noida. Then there are many NITs also you can target with at this percentile. Then UBS Chandigarh is the another good option you can target with at 80 to 85 percentile, especially if you want to complete your MBA in the least fees but with the good return of investment, then UBS Chandigarh is the one of the good option you can target with. Then FMS BHU is the next college you can target with. NIBM, especially if you want to complete your MBA in the banking management, then this is the one option you can target with. And next college is XIME. So if you have 80 to 85 percentile, then this is the list of the colleges you can target with. Then if you have 70 to 80 percentile, then you can target with Wellinger B School. So if you have a good profile, then at this percentile also you can have a look on this college. Then next college is UPS Dehradun, CHRIST Bangalore, IMT Nagpur, IMT Hyderabad, IBS Hyderabad and Jaipuriya. Jaipuriya के भी 4 campuses है, like Noida, Lucknow, Indore, Jaipur. So all the campuses you can target with at this percentile. So this is the list of some MBA colleges you can target with according to your percentile. If you want to know more about these colleges, then you can refer the other videos that I have already made for the separate percentile. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.